नमस्कार दोस्तों, GPAT नाइपर ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर फार्मासिस्ट इन सभी एग्जाम में एक क्वेश्चन बहुत बार पूछा गया है और वो क्वेश्चन है आपके टैबलेट चैप्टर में से वेट वेरिएशन टेस्ट के बारे में। तो वेट वेरिएशन टेस्ट के लिए कितने टैबलेट लेना है, वेट वेरिएशन टेस्ट के लिमिट क्या है अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंडियन फार्माकोपिया, ब्रिटिश फार्माकोपिया, अकॉर्डिंग टू द यूएसपी, ये लिमिट्स क्या है, उसके ऊपर बहुत बार क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल if tablet weight is 250 milligram, so the percentage deviation allowed in the weight variation test as per the IP. इसी तरीके से क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं बहुत बार, तो चलिए देख लेते हैं।
The first question that can be covered from this is nothing but the purpose of weight variation test or the inference of weight variation test. So weight variation test is done to ensure the content uniformity, to ensure the dosage uniformity or content uniformity. Now in the test, what you have to do, you have to take a 20 tablet. You have to select randomly a 20 tablets from the batch, and then you have to calculate the average weight. You have to calculate the average weight. Now your tablet passes the weight variation test when not more than 2 tablet weight deviate from the average weight by the more than percentage shown in the table. We are going to see the percentage, and no single tablet should deviate more than twice of that percentage. So what is that percentage? Now you will see in the below table. Now weight variation test is an official test in the Indian Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia, and also it is an official test in the USP, United States Pharmacopoeia, Indian Pharmacopoeia, and British Pharmacopoeia. But Indian Pharmacopoeia and British Pharmacopoeia have the same limits, and USP has a different limit. Now, as per the Indian Pharmacopoeia and British Pharmacopoeia, if tablet weight is 80 mg or less, percentage deviation allowed is 10%. If tablet weight is around 80 mg, more than 80 mg but less than 250 mg. Remember, if tablet weight is 80 mg or less, then 10%. More than 80 mg but less than 250, so percentage deviation is 7.5%. If tablet weight is 250 milligram or more than that, more than 250 milligram, so percentage deviation already is 5%. And now as per the USP, if your tablet weight is less than 130 milligram, so percentage deviation is 10%. If your tablet weight is around 130 to 324 milligram, then percentage deviation is around 7.5%. And if your tablet weight is more than 324 milligram, so percentage deviation already is 5%. So what deviation? Not more than 2 tablet weight deviate from the average weight more than the percentage. What percentage? These percentage. And no single unit should deviate more than twice of that percentage.